In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to change your name on Subway Surfers. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to open up your Subway Surfers app, and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now to be able to change your name, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the settings wheel in the top right corner. So click on the settings wheel. It should now take you to this page right here. Now you're just going to scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says support. So click on support, just going to load, and perfectly it should now take you to this page. Now what you're going to do is to just click on any of those right here. It doesn't really matter. You can just click on lost progress as an example basically. Just scroll down in here and then click on chat with us. This is the most important. We need to actually access their support to be able to fix this. Now you're going to write like this: I want to change my name to, and now you're going to write the exact name that you want to be able to change to, basically to the support, because they're the only ones that can actually do so for you. And then you're going to click on the send button in the bottom right corner as well. And then what will happen is that if there is no human, by the way, that is able to help you, if you're just chatting with the bot, well then you can just say to the bot that I want to be able to speak to a human, and then a human live chat agent will come in, and then they will help you with this basically. So this is exactly how to change your name on Subway Surfers.